In this video we are going to talk about Skywalker Trampolines. Show off your basketball skills with the Skywalker Trampolines 14 Rectangle Jump and Dunk Trampoline with Enclosure. Rectangle trampolines differ from other shapes because of the bounce they provide. The springs work independently, allowing for a controlled takeoff and landing from any point on the jumping mat, making this a great choice for aspiring gymnasts and athletes. The added basketball hoop accessory allows kids to be the star of the court as they jump, shoot, and dunk their way to victory. Parents can feel at ease knowing this trampoline features a patented no-gap enclosure system. The framework is made of weather and rust-resistant galvanized steel, and the basketball hoop is made of soft material to keep kids safe while dunking. Add fun to your backyard with the Skywalker Trampolines 14 Rectangle Jump and Dunk.